Alright, this is going to be the demo video for Heaven's Little Helpers, which is a little project I'm doing for a local dog breeder in Oklahoma. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the landing page. It's not yet finished. We're still trying to figure out what else we want here on the home page, since I think it's probably the most important that the client's customer is going to see when they land here. And then also you can see here we also have a footer, and then we'll talk about this more later. So this footer does look like it's not lined up, so that's because it currently has 3 columns here. So 1 column, 2 column, and then a third invisible column here, which doesn't have anything in it. We'll figure out if there's any social media links that the clients might have, or just whatever the customer want or client wants. Alright, so let's get started on the other stuff. So here is the About page. So the About page, every item here has a transition, with the exception of the Meet the Owner and the Club section. But all the rest of them have animations. So whenever you hover, these animate, and then these animate. And so here you can get the client's customers can see what my client's all about, and then she can see the 2 dogs that she's gonna be making puppies with. And then we have the testimonials here, which the user can click, and then it opens a new tab, and then we can go ahead and go to number 5, which the customer here, or the client rather, the client is seen here. And then same thing for here. I think the client is number 44, but I'm not going to go all the way down there. But you get the picture. And then similarly for clubs, the client's users can go ahead and click that, and then they get more information on the club. Okay, so let's go to the current litter. So there are currently 1 dog. There's 1 dog in the litter. We'll change this here soon. And then the client's users can hover and then get that blown up a little bit. Now for the past litter, we have a gallery of images, and then I think there's a total of 6 puppies in the past litter. It's currently cycling through 6. It's displaying 5 of them, but it's cycling through 6 of them, giving this little effect where they pop in and out. And then, of course, the footer is still here. Let's go ahead and go to FAQ. Alright, so how I designed the FAQ is, not only is it a FAQ, but we also have just places where, say, are you a member of any clubs or organizations? And then, yes, we're associated with 2 breeding clubs and 1 kennel club. And the client's customers can then go back to here. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to contact. Here is the email form, which allows the client's customers to fill this out if they have any questions or they want to start the process of buying a dog. So let's go ahead and show a demonstration of that. I used, what did I use? I used Email.js to do this. So let's do test 6. And then hello. Send. Alright, so it's sent. Let's go ahead and check the email. Here we go. So we can go to this. Aha! So as you can see, the client did indeed receive the email from a new customer. Alright, now let's go ahead and show off how the client can update their database. So what they can do is they can go from the home page, they can do admin. So for security reasons, admin is not accessible anywhere on the home page as a link to go to. It is supposed to be the client only knows about it. Now what they can do is, say they wanted to add a dog to litter. Let's add a dog, Chad. Female, date of birth, July 4th, 2022. Weight, 25 pounds. Description, She is a sad dog. Is it part of the litter? Yes. And then we want to choose an image for this female dog. Let's choose this. Now let's submit. Give it a second. There we go. So the Chad dog has been added. And then we can also see all the past dogs here. Now say if we wanted to edit a dog. Say we want to edit this dog's name. So we go ahead and click edit. And then the form has been pre-filled. We can name Spots to Blue. And then we can also add it to the litter if we wanted to. Submit. Aha, as you can see, Blue has been added to the litter here. And then we can go ahead and open up our litter in a new tab to see the change. Aha, as you can see, these two have been actually added to the litter. Okay, so we know how to edit a dog. How do we delete a dog? We can delete a dog by simply going down and hitting delete. Alright, that dog has been deleted. We can check this by refreshing the page. And the dog has been deleted. Okay. Oh, my dogs are barking. Okay, so I think that covers pretty much everything on the front end. I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the stuff on the back end. So as you saw earlier, we are using this. Now, I did create my own in-house API using Express.js to serve the dogs to and from the web application. And so we can also see here, let's look at Spots. Actually, it's refreshed because Spots isn't there anymore. So refresh that Blue, there we go. So as you can see, it has all the fields here, so name, sex, date of birth, weight, all that good stuff. All right. And then how is that served? We have CRUD operations on both the client and server side. Here is the server side CRUD operations. And then here is the model. The model for the dogs is this. And then we can also look at the database and go ahead and refresh that. Then it's showing one document at a time, but here we also had Blue as a part of the database. Okay, I think that pretty much covers everything there is. Thanks so much for watching.